Hey everyone, this is Stephen. Welcome to day 3 of FlowXO's Video Advent Calendar Spectacular. Now that we're well into Advent, let's not forget what Christmas is all about, which is of course gifts. So here's one that you'll definitely want to unwrap. It's the FlowXO hoodie that we're giving away. There's a random letter given out each video this month, which will combine to form a common Christmas word or phrase. The first person to email me the word or phrase wins the hoodie. The letter's coming up at the end of the video. First, a new bot launch. Let's go onto my desktop. I've picked up on Narvar here, which allows retailers to sign up to their service, and then the end user, the customer, is able to track their packages from those retailers. It's only US based at the moment, with about 5 retailers signed up. I think it has the correct mix of bot-based functionality and direction outside of Messenger to a site for more detailed tracking. You can ask it some questions and see where you're up to in the delivery process. Reporting online also suggests there's some AI learning involved here in the background. Details are scarce, but this looks like one to watch for the future, and it's worth going and having a play with that. Okay, now on to our FlowXO feature tip. Today we're going to look at programming in some custom behavior into our bot by sending a raw HTTP request to Facebook's API and getting it to return some content directly into the Messenger channel, all as part of an integrated flow. We're going to use our familiar business, the mortgage store, that features in our weekly webcast, Getting Started with FlowXO, which is every Wednesday at 3 PM. Do sign up and watch one of those to get into some bot building proper, and I'll give you a link at the end for the sign up form. For now, the good news is that we have in FlowXO a webhook and HTTP action that can manage our post to any URL for us at any point in our flow. We've got a simple flow here, which is looking out for a new message. We're looking for the word custom, and we're going to make an HTTP request. So again, this allows us to post a message directly into a customer's Messenger channel, like we would if we sent a message or card with one of FlowXO's inherent actions. The difference is you're essentially programming Facebook directly, so you can send a uniquely tailored request to Facebook to return some content into the Messenger channel. And you're going to see where this comes from in just a moment. First, let's just take a quick look at the Facebook developers site. And here you can see I've got the template section and the generic template on screen. And you recognize this code because it's what we just looked at in FlowXO. So you can see I've picked this up and dropped it straight into FlowXO. The message templates here tell us all the message types that we can seed into Messenger conversation with our FlowXO action, and each has got a nice example. I'm going to stick to the generic template here that Facebook are giving me. It's probably the simplest example and results in a message much like the FlowXO action send a card. There are some more exciting options too you can see here. We can send a list of items vertically with the list template, and randomly perhaps put together an airline boarding pass template. Are there any airlines watching? Maybe Mr. Zuckerberg just likes flying. Maybe Facebook will put more templates in here soon. However, all I need to do is copy out the code here and adjust as appropriate. You can see I've pre-prepared this text, but I have made some changes. I've put in here the output from FlowXO, which gives us the user ID, and obviously I've changed all the references to Peter's hats to Peter's cats and given us a more interesting image to share. So let's go see this running in Messenger. I'll go to our bot and I just need to say custom, which was our trigger word. And you can see here I'm directly sending a message to Facebook, who are sending it back into this channel, and they've given us a coded example that we made out here. So it's interpreted all this information and returned it just as we would if we sent a card with the send a card action in FlowXO. The difference being is that I can completely customize how I program that by using the HTTP request to Facebook's API. Okay, last thing, on to today's letter. A nice juicy consonant today, N for November. That's 3 letters you have so far. Email me the word or phrase to win the hoodie. See you all soon.